Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to record a screen using Snipping Tool. Press window button, then search for Snipping Tool, or you can press window shift and S together. This is the hotkey or shortcut for Snipping Tool, which is available on Windows 10, Windows 11. Using Snipping Tool, we can record screen or capture screenshot. Here we choose the screen record option, which is the second one, and there is option for mic or system audio. Then we select the area that we want to record. Now our video is being recorded. So this is the video that we recorded, and now we are going to save the video.